Hello and welcome. You know, if there's one thing a truck driver interacts with more than anything else in the world, it's his or her steering wheel. A high-quality steering wheel like this one doesn't just make your job more enjoyable, it also makes a statement about the level of work that you offer. No wonder so many professionals in our industry are upgrading to steering wheels that are both more unique and are made with higher quality materials. Today, I'm going to show you how to properly install one such steering wheel. The incredibly popular Cascadia, a Freightliner exclusive from Steering Creations. Let's get going. Before you install the new steering wheel, make sure the front tires are pointed straight ahead and that the steering gear is centered. When removing the steering wheel cover module, pry the corners away from the steering wheel to pull the module out. From here, you can disconnect the steering wheel switch connectors and the horn. Once you've disconnected the steering wheel, you can gently hit the wheel from below where the rim and spoke intersect. That should dislodge the steering wheel from its tapered fit. Thread the switch and horn wires through the hole above the center of the steering wheel. Set the steering wheel on the steering column. Next, make sure that the steering wheel is within 10 degrees of center, more or less. Install the new steering wheel nut and tighten. After you tighten the nut, connect the steering switch and horn connectors to the steering wheel cover module. Then, add the steering wheel cover to the steering wheel. It's that easy. This baby is ready to hit the road. You're gonna love the look and feel of this amazing custom steering wheel. And as you just saw, installing it isn't too difficult. We hope you enjoyed this video on installing Freightliner's Cascadia steering wheel from Steering Creations.